Hello guys, and welcome back to another Patreon vlog about experimenting with painting techniques. And I wanted to share this one with you because I have been trying it the past days and I am very happy to work with. So this is a way to lose the fear of oil painting and dare to paint without having the pressure to create something dazzling. Just use a sketchbook for oil painting to study other artists' traces and also to become more familiar with pigments. If you like, you can buy a new sketchbook and modify it for oil painting, or you can use an old sketchbook so that you can give it a new life. Here I am using an old Moleskine sketchbook, which is amazing for painting with mixed media techniques like watercolor, ink, markers, pencils, gouache. The Moleskine's quality paper, the thickness that prevents the ink from being transferred, it's just amazing. That is why Moleskine is one of my favorite sketchbooks, along with Winsor & Newton. But this kind of sketchbook is not really low budget, so it was really hard for me to let it go, and I wanted to give it a new use. That's how I got the idea of using it as an oil sketchbook. We already know that painting over paper with oil is not very advisable. The oil is very greasy and it can transfer through the pages. It does not dry well and can rotten the paper. So for that, we need our gesso layer as primer or preparation. I have seen that artists recommend using white acrylic as well. I have only used gesso because it also serves me for other surfaces such as canvas, wooden panel, and even metal sheets. I haven't used acrylic for that, and that's the reason why I am just sharing with you the material that I am more familiarized with, so that I don't make a recommendation about a topic I don't know yet. And this is why I am telling you about the gesso. It's basic for the preparation of the paintings. Its white color gives intensity to the following layers of color. The gesso also gives elasticity to the pigments, and it can help you if you're going to unpack a canvas from the frame and roll it up to transport it. Gesso will take care of your painting for sure. I have made a video about how to prepare your own canvas for painting, and I will leave the description below if you want to check it out. And also, if you want to know more about the gesso or the preparation for that, and it's not in the video, let me know so that I can cover it in another video. For your oil sketchbook, just apply the gesso on the pages and dry it with a hair dryer or wait it to dry. I am very impatient for that, so I use the hair dryer. And you can repeat 2 or 3 times, or the amount that you like, so that you won't see through the layers. This is the media I use for painting with oil, mostly, and this is refined linseed oil and white spirit. You can make your own mixture in a little jar like this by putting 2/3 of refined linseed oil and 1/3 of white spirit, so that you can use this to mix it with the oil paint and then paint it on your sketchbook. But what I learned is that it is better to use liquid because it dries super fast, like one day to the next it was dry. When you're using refined linseed oil, it takes I have waited more than 3 days for it to dry until now, so I don't know yet how long it will take. This is the first time I have tried linseed oil on paper, mix it with oil and then on paper. But yeah, it takes longer. So that was it for this video. Do it yourself, your own oil sketchbook. I am super curious how you would be using it for. What are you going to create there? So let me know in the comments, tag me on social networks. Anyway, while I was doing this video, I was also making tests of different blues that I have, and I was wondering what kind of blue is my blue. So what kind of colors do I use the most, and which ones I really love to use on paintings? And I was wondering if you had feel the same way, like which choices do you make for your own color palette? And yeah, I was just curious about it. So I will be making studies, color studies for the next days, and if you feel interested, then I can make a video about that. Enjoy your weekend and see you in the next one. Bye!